Withdrawing money from your Zoom account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Zoom account. Access your Zoom account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with your funds. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, locate the Wallet or Funds section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your balance and initiate withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Wallet section, look for an option that says Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Fill in the required information, such as the amount you wish to withdraw in your bank account details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the withdrawal details you have entered. Once you are sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction and submit your request. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the transfer after the processing time indicated by Zoom.